Hey guys, it's Natasha here. I wanted to quickly show you how to use my Dream Cheek Trio. The Cheek Trio consists out of brand new cream blush formula. It is a super lightweight, very silky, buildable, pigmented cream blush, super soft, non-oily. It feels like cloud on your cheeks. And then it comes also with my Glow Cream Base, which is my classic cream shimmer that I always love to use as a base for any powder highlighter, and the Dream Glow, which is a brand new gel to powder highlighter, which is highly shining. Now, this formula is so soft and mistake proof. You can just place it onto your apples of the cheeks and swirl around on top of your highest point of your apple of the cheek, which is here and not below here. I can give you a pro tip to how to wear blushes, where to place it. If you have a narrow shaped face, then I would recommend to place your blush a little closer to your nose. And if you have a rounded face shape, then I would recommend to place your blush on the higher part of your cheekbones. One of the most important steps is to use the Glow Cream Base. I'm picking this up with a dense face brush and patting it onto the highest points of the cheek. It's really important to tap this onto your skin, press it in softly, and not to swipe it around, otherwise it will take away what's underneath. And for the last step, just picking up the Dream Glow highlighter with a highlighting brush, any face brush actually, or even your finger, and swipe it onto the cream base. You can also add a slightly bit above the arch of the brow, chin, and bridge of the nose. And this is the final look. So 3 steps: cream blush, Glow Cream Base, and Dream highlighter, and voila, you have the most beautiful glowing skin.